Hello, today I will show you how you can write simple combination circuit code in HLS and then export as an IP to Vivado and used in Vivado. For that, I will take this simple logic to implement. There are there are three total logic gates, one AND, one NOT, and one OR gate. Let's jump to HLS. Let's open the directory. For example, I have created a simple combination circuit directory here. Then I will just copy this name for my project with extension HLS. Later, the top module function name will be circuit HLS, and then the next. Then I will select the board. I have the Xilinx 2020 board. I just select and finish. Let's open the default layout. I will create a new source as an .cpp file. I will not add any header file or any attachments to keep this project very simple. This is my simple logic. And then I will add the pragmas. You can either add with manually or the HLS will generate for you. Just insert the directory for interface source, and then currently I will not use any type of this chain, so control AP control will be none. Similarly for the IO ports, go to interface and then none. Sorry, I created for memory, so I will delete it. I will again insert for interface, then none. Similarly for B, go interface and then none. Okay, then just synthesis design for this FPGA board. synthesis successfully. You can see it used only 6 lookup tables, A, B, C, and D are the interfaces. There it means that it's not using any clock signal, means it is only the combinational circuit. Then after synthesis, you will export this design. While exporting, I will create in the Vivado project I'm using the measurement, this Zygo board. Now it's successfully exported the RTL IP, which we can use here. First, I have to create the repository of the IP I have created in HLS. This was my HLS directory, right? So this is the combination circuit created. Just apply and okay. And after I will create a design. Simple combination circuit. You can name it any. Okay. They're saying that big name circuit. Here you can simply search that IP block. As you can see here, these two blocks, the Xilinx HLS by default created. So I will use only my input output. Then just create external output and then after go here in the design and create a wrapper for this. Okay. And then I will use code simulation without writing any test bench for this project. Here I will give force value of 1 for this, force value 1 for this, force value 1 for this. Here you can see according to the circuit this this two are 1, this 1. Here it will be 0 and then after here the at the end it will be 1 because one of input is 1. So I will keep this one is 0, then 0 1 it will be 0 here, 1 it will be 0 here, the output should be 0. So I will just put this value possibly 0. As you can see here the A0 B is 1, A and B output is 0 and C is 1, but the output of C will be 0. So at the end we will get 0 output. So this is the complete project for simple combinational circuit to implement in HLS and export as an IP to Vivado and simulate. You can run with a generative base string for your FPGA board. Thank you very much. Keep watching for next video.